We are continuing to watch flu numbers rise across the country, and here in Arkansas, many are referring to this year's strain as a super flu.
5 News reporter Bo Russell is talking to doctors who say that lower vaccination rates might be contributing to that surge.
Flu cases are rising across the country, and doctors in Northwest Arkansas say they're feeling it inside the hospital.
So the flu season has been pretty robust. Lots of people sick across the nation, lots of people in the hospital. Already a little bit over 7,000 deaths across the country.
At Washington Regional, physicians say the increase is part of a broader national trend, with more cases leading to more hospitalizations and more deaths.
The more flu that we have across the country, the more people that we will see in the hospital and the more people that will unfortunately pass away from the flu.
State health officials say Arkansas has seen the same national pattern play out locally.
Over the past few weeks, we have been seeing an increase in flu cases here in the state. We've seen increases in flu-related hospitalizations and flu-related deaths.
The ADH says more than 650 Arkansans have been hospitalized with flu-related illness so far, with more than 20 deaths reported statewide. Health officials say the best way to reduce severe illness is vaccination.
If you look at the CDC data, about 20 million less people vaccinated this year compared to 2 years ago.
But they want to be clear about what vaccines actually do.
There may be some confusion in terms of, if I get the flu shot, then I won't get the flu. That's not necessarily true, right? What it will protect you against, instead of, having symptoms that are so severe that you have to go be admitted into the hospital, you may deal with more milder symptoms.
Doctors say flu-related activity typically peaks between late December and February, so this season might not be over yet.
It's not too late to receive the flu vaccine if you have not received it yet.
Dr. Porter with the ADH says it's important to wash hands frequently, cover coughs and sneezes, and staying away from people when showing symptoms, steps they say can help protect both you and your community. Bo Russell, 5 News.
This flu season has been one of the worst in some times, and with cases surging across the country, a special report on the current situation is now available on demand with 5 News Plus. That special gives an in-depth look at the impact the new influenza variant is having this year.